Hey, how's it? Matt here from Surf Garage Supply. Today we're going to be unboxing a RYD soft top. It's the Alt range and it's the Hank Dude. Sick board. Apparently I haven't seen one before, but I can't wait to have a look at this one. And it's in the deep navy color. Let's get on. There we go. You can see it's a 7.6, dark navy, and I'm lying, it's a 7.4. That's 7.6 is the box I mentioned. That's the Alt range, this is the Hank Dude. Nice and protected on the nose or tail. Very nicely done. Covered up on the nose, protected with double monster bubbles. Yeah, looking good. Also protected on the nose. It looks awesome, this color. Can't wait to see what it looks like inside. This is the other side. Check this cool underside deck pattern. I think that's really awesome. It's got another layer of plastic underneath this. Very cool. There are the fins there. The big middle fin and two side bites. Where is it? You're joking, here it is. It's absolutely beautiful. I just can't wait to surf it. Remember, it has to have the plastic on the top, so it's looking awfully shiny, but it's got alligator skin underneath. Feels amazing. Looks amazing, feels amazing, must be amazing. Yeah, that thing looks cool. Wow, it's even better underneath. Looks really good. Super reinforced. That thing's ready to shred. I was a bit worried about the fin box, but geez, that thing looks proper. It looks decent. There are the fins over there.